The MaxiTPMS TS608 is an industry-first dynamic combination of advanced service, all-system diagnostic and complete TPMS in one 7-inch tablet tool. It's 3 tools in one, combining the capabilities of some of Autel's best-selling handheld tools. A comprehensive TPMS service tool, an all-module code reader, a multi-function service tool. Before we delve into its software, let's take a look at its hardware. It's a 7-inch Android touchscreen tablet with a super-fast A9 Cortex 1.5 GHz processor, a battery providing 7 hours of continuous use, and an embedded RF antenna for TPMS sensor activation and MX sensor programming. Plus, it has a mini VCI that enables wireless vehicle diagnostics. It's really an amazing tool. It's a full-fledged, internet-ready, wireless tablet within a shop-tested rubberized protective case that's capable of accessing internet vehicle repair forums, including Autel's MaxiFix, or logging into a vehicle manufacturer's website to check for TSBs. And when new software updates become available, just tap the Update app to download the latest software for expanded vehicle coverage and tool functionality. Now let's take a look at all this tool can do. First, the TS608 is a complete TPMS service tool. It's all you need to tackle any TPMS challenge that enters the shop. Its embedded antenna enables technicians to trigger any known sensor and display tire pressure and sensor data including ID, frequency, and battery level right on the tablet. The TS608's mini VCI enables the technician to wirelessly connect to the TPMS module, read registered sensor IDs, and compare them with the IDs of the wheel sensors. The tool's status graphic enables the technician to instantly recognize a system fault and what steps are needed to be taken to correct it. When a new TPMS sensor is needed, well, the TS608 can program a replacement too. Autel's MX sensors can be programmed to replace 98% of existing OE sensors. In fact, 3 out of its 4 programming methods, copy by activation, copy by OBD, and manual input, clone the existing sensor ID to the new sensor, eliminating the need for time-intensive relearn procedures. The TS608 can not only perform OBD2 relearn for the more than 35% of today's vehicles that require it, but it also displays vehicle-specific relearn procedures for all TPMS-equipped vehicles. Second, it's an all-systems diagnostic scan tool with one-touch auto VIN acquisition, so you can quickly start diagnostics. It can read and clear codes on all available system modules on US, Asian, and European vehicles, 1996 and newer. On most vehicles, that's the ability to scan more than 50 modules within the powertrain, body, chassis, and communication and electronic systems. The tool's drill-down interface enables technicians to quickly define system faults. And the TS608's live data graphing and freeze-frame data analysis offers access to vehicles' pre-fault operations. Third, the TS608 is a robust service tool that assists technicians in performing the most common maintenance service tasks, including oil and service light resets, steering angle sensor reset, replacement battery registration, brake servicing including caliper open and closing for pad replacement, and brake bleed and diesel particulate filter regeneration. This tablet is destined to become the go-to TPMS, diagnostics and service tool, at every full-service repair facility or dedicated tire shop. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions about our products, please visit our website or simply contact us.